What if you could build an Android app without knowing how to code? Just describe your idea and AI creates it for you. This habit tracker app you're seeing, AI built it and I will show you exactly how. Next, we need Android Studio. If you don't have it yet, just open your browser and go to developer.android.com/studio. This is official website. Here you will see the option to download Android Studio. Click it, follow the steps and complete the installation. It's not complicated, so don't worry. But if you face any issues, I already have a separate step-by-step video on how to download and install Android Studio. Alright, now I'm assuming you have got Android Studio ready to go. Just open it up and click on Create a New Project. From the options, select Empty Activity. Now give your app a nice name. Choose where you want to save it. If you want to change the location, you can do it right here. Next, you will see minimum SDK. By default, it's set to Android 7 Nougat API 24, which is perfect because this will make your app work on almost every Android phone out there. Language is set to Kotlin. Perfect. You might see other options, but for this video, we are sticking with Kotlin. And that's it. Just click Finish. And Android Studio will spin up everything for you automatically. Now, Android Studio will take a little time to sync everything. Just wait for a moment. Let it do its thing. You can close the Gradle by clicking here. Now you will see all your project files on the left and your code editor on the right. Android Studio has already opened main activity for us. And don't worry, we are not going to write a single line of code manually. Everything will be done using AI prompts only. Next, we are going to download Cursor. Just open your browser, type Cursor AI and head to the official site. Click on Download for Windows. Follow the installation steps and then quickly sign up. Once you are in, click on Open Project and open our Daily Habits app folder. Now our project is fully open inside Cursor. On the left side, you will see all the project files, and on the right side, we have this chat panel where we will actually talk to the AI. You will also see the agent here, and this is what helps us write the code. All we need to do is give it a clear prompt. For this video, I'm building a simple daily habits app just for demo purposes. So I'm going to paste my prompt here and let me read it for you. Create an Android app using Kotlin and Jetpack Compose. The app should have a single screen called Daily Habits. On this screen, show 4 fixed habits in a list format. Drink water, study 30 minutes, walk 30 minutes, sleep early. Each habit should be tappable and should toggle between completed and not completed, visually like checkbox. For now, only UI plus in-memory toggle. Now Cursor will take a few seconds to process this. It starts writing the entire code for us. Once it finishes, we can quickly review the changes, and if everything looks good, just click Keep. And the best part, Cursor updates the code not only here, but also directly inside Android Studio. So let's jump back to Android Studio, and yes, the default greeting app has now been completely transformed into our Daily Habits app. Now to actually test this app, we need a device to run it on. And the good news is Android Studio lets us create a virtual phone for testing. So first, click on Device Manager, then click on the little plus icon and select Create Virtual Device. This will open a window where you can choose the font you want to simulate. I already have a virtual device created, but you can pick any font from this list, click next and then finish. Just follow the steps. Once the device is created, you will see it here in the running devices section. Now completely click the run button. Give it a moment. And there you go. Our app is now running beautifully inside Android Emulator. It has the screen with 4 daily habits as mentioned. It has checkboxes. So let's jump back into Cursor and give it another prompt to make this app even better. Improve the UI to look clean and modern. Use cards or rounded containers for each habit. When a habit is completed, show it in green with a tick icon. When not completed, show it in gray. So we will keep the updated code and run the app again. You can see the UI has changed. It definitely looks better now. So let's take it one step further. Now we are going to add today's date and also how many habits are completed. For that, give prompt, add today's date at the top of the screen below the title. Show it in a readable format like 22 December 2025. Add a text at the bottom that shows how many habits are completed out of total, like 2 or 4 habits completed today. Make the background more modern and appealing. Alright, now we will keep the updated code and run it again. We have got an error. Now I want to add a celebration when all habits are completed. For that, give prompt. Please update the app so that when the user completes all 4 habits, trigger a happy blast celebration. Use a confetti animation. Requirements: show a big success message like great job, all habits completed. Make it visually happy and colorful. The celebration should trigger only when the last incomplete habit becomes completed. If the user unchecks a habit after completion, the celebration should not immediately repeat unless they again complete all habits. Do not break the existing toggle behavior. Clean up the code if needed and make the experience smooth. Remove unwanted code, remove unused imports, simplify and clean the code. Make the structure neat and readable. Let's keep the changes and run the app again. And see what happens now. And that's it. Our Daily Habits app is officially complete. It shows today's date. It tracks how many habits you have completed. And when you finish all 4 habits, you get a beautiful pop-up and a fun confetti celebration. And remember, I didn't write single line of code manually. Everything was built just by prompting to Cursor. So if AI can help us build this, imagine what else we can create next. In my upcoming videos, we will build even more powerful AI-assisted apps, faster, smarter, and more exciting. If you found this helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.